Taffybwoi.
What go on, Nutsy?
Taffybwoi. Me see up on his Stratos, man.
Yes, man, me glad you are listening to them so you can maybe that will help you draw closer to God.
Anyway, you know, have no bread up there that me call about.
Never silly. Alright. Yeah, man, me have bread up here, man. You can come. You must come here.
Taffybwoi.
What go on? Welcome, man.
Go on.
Bless up yourself, man.
man.
So,
So-
we hit there. Where big Taffy there? Hey, Nutsy. You remember that saying they always say, what you don't know won't hurt you?
Me know, me hear about that. You know what I believe in it though, because
You believe? Alright, so what if you see me after that question? What if you go out the road and one car just lick you? But I never know say car come.
you know, say you have no
That
sense
means say
to
now
it.
go bother lick you?
Me don't know how to answer that question there.
No, but just alright. What about the one we say stick to the evil that you know?
What you mean, man? Me believe in that because me I tell you say enough time to try new things and it not work, you know.
Then Nutsy, why you the one evil around you?
Good breed that still.
So where bread there? Oh, yeah, man, me have bread there, man. Me have bread there. Yeah?
I have to think them, man.
The Nutsy, you know, say the enemy always I try insert himself as good. Trying to get you to do the things that you shouldn't. While all the while, that make you believe that you should. Jesus wants you well done, but the enemy wants you burning and rejected. Jesus I call you a long time, you know, but
me have me whole life ahead of me, brother.
full up in your head. So much so that you can't even see that the enemy only wants you dead.
Dead. Then if that did that true, why me still there?
Keep on talking like that, man. You're getting warmer. Or maybe I should say hotter. Because it seems like you very much in love with the idea of your flesh burning in hellfire.
Why you keep say burning?
Because hell now go take no time off to please nobody, brother.
Him no know say no fire can burn forever.
And another thing,
A electrical fire him a talk about. But if a the JPZs is responsible for that, we all know that the fire they will be going out very regular. Sometime for days.
oi, away you gone. Come back, man. As me did that
Yeah,
say,
man, me hear what you say, man. Me hear what you say. Hell not take no time off to please nobody.
and by the way, a God. God is the reason why we still there.
God.
So wait, you think I did because of kill or something?
Well.
Oi. You better your bill. From when me I tell you say Jesus soon come back, you know, and you go on like say, me parrot. But at time for you repent and get on the straight and narrow. Otherwise a weeping and mourning, you know, and sorrow.
Weeping, mourning, sorrow.
Me don't talk to you for now, you know.
Good, because of bread me come up by a fact. Bread, not the word.
Oh, sorry. Remember now, you know, the Bible did say that man shall not live by bread.
And not the same Bible say there is a time for everything.
That you say. Alright. Well this.
Then I make coffee butter bread pan two sides.
Because from where they me notice that soya over here.
That not nice, man. That not
You're
nice.
telling me. See two more slices, man.
Thanks.
Nothing. Let me say something to you. See? You think say you there just a pastime, you know. But more if you know say time already pass you, you know. So it better if you give your life to Christ before the enemy lost you, you know.
You're rhyme, man. You're rhyme.
Ha, ha, ha. Yeah, enjoy the ways of sin now. But the wage is very costly, you know. Don't make the enemy trick you with nice and nuts and rob you one soul. Choose to choose Christ now, who paid the price.
Tool, see it? Tool, you can't rhyme to you know.
Or maybe you can pay the wages yourself.
What you mean, man?
You don't have the money.
What you mean, man? We can't pay it, man. Money makes the world go round, man. Me spend US and me spend pound. How me sound?
Like like a man who is lost and needs to be found. Man. And by the way, it is God. God makes the world round. Man. With just a thought and a sound. Man. So anytime you
Alright, now say no more. Me get the point. God make the world and everything in it.
you're right. And don't you forget it. And another thing too, you see, me think you're gonna need this. Romans 6 and verse 23.
So what that you right from me come here?
You know what say? I want like a song me there work on door.
What? Hey, we can't help us in that no. You can rhyme with them. You can rhyme with them. Yeah, you can write.
You.
Don't want me? Alright, just try.
Alright. Here what me I go do. Me, I go sing one line and then you go jump one back right? Alright.
Well, ready.
Tell me what you are gonna miss if you left the world.
My father, my mother, my girlfriend, my sister.
Yo, it's song start.
Oh,
See words. Like,
alright,
ready. Tell me what you were gonna miss if you left the world.
You never know you can be in, but not of the world.
No give up Christ for nothing.
No money, no pearl,
The devil lie them glitter.
but I no goal.
Plus it no benefit you nothing if you gain the world.
If it mean you have to lose your in soul.
Soul.
What are you not write it good?
Soul. Next line, man. I'm really sitting good.
If you're ready for choose Christ, you'd follow him. Wear the little cross and make we honor him.
But me used to be a sinner, that no bother him. Just repent for your sins and then they get the ring.
Yeah.
Bad man. I mean,
Bad man.
Yeah.
Bad man.
Alright. Nutsy. You know, say if you go to supermarket, do and ask them for celery and bread, then we celery.
Yeah. Why?
Me just I say that be like the 5 foolish virgins and get your own.
You always a find way
To put the word in a conversation.
Taffybwoi.